Jai Shri Ram. The Mandukya Upanishad is so called because Mandukya actually means a frog. But remember, in Sanskrit, words have many meanings. Mandukya is the name of an academy, Vedic academy, a Lyceum, Lyceum, which belonged to the Mandukya Rishi. So, Mandukyam means a Vedic school. So that is what gave the name. It is eponymous after the Rishi. But of course here Kanchikamakoti, their site is giving an interesting new explanation also. The Mandukya Upanishad means a frog. Why the frog Upanishad? Why the name? One reason occurs to me. This is the writer representing Kanchikamakoti. The frog does not have to go step by step. It can leap from the first to the fourth step. Jagrat, Swapna, Shushupti, Turiya. Turiya is not a state. Turiya is the screen actually. Turiya is the substratum. Turiya is the Brahmic state. So, in the Mandukya Upanishad, the way is shown to reach the Turiya or the fourth state from the state of wakefulness through the states of sleep and dream. By devoting oneself to intense meditation of Om, Akshara Upasana, one can in one bound go up to the fourth state. This is perhaps the reason why it is called Mandukya. Okay. Mandukya Upanishad belonged to a group of people who had the frog as their totem. It is also said that the sage associated with the Upanishad is Varuna, who took the form of a frog. Very interesting. Remember, Mandukya Upanishad is the smallest of all Upanishads. It has only 12 mantras. Mandukya, in fact, Rama in the Muktika Upanishad recommends Mandukya as sufficient. If you can understand Mandukya, which has only 12 mantras, you will attain moksha. But then if you don't, then you have to study 108. Rama recommended Mandukya Upanishad. So it has acquired a special place among seekers because it is packed with meaning. It demonstrates the oneness of the individual self and the Brahman through the 4 feet, padas of the Pranava. Right? The entire cosmos is dissolved in Shivadvaita, Shivodvaita. Shankara Bhagavatpada's guru's guru, Gaudapadacharya, commented, and it is Mandukya Upanishad Karika. And Shankaracharya wrote a further comment. Jai Shri Ram.